Was this window treatment behind me up for 29 years? Well, I think it's time for a refresher. So guess what you're getting? New window treatments. We're actually going to create brackets that you can hang up a dowel rod for window treatments. Nice. Each of these are obviously going to be on either side for the rod, but we're going to drill a hole in them. And the way you do that is I actually line them up like so. We're going to use this drill bit right here, and we're going to drill right through the center of these brackets. They're both in the same spot. Ultimately, nobody's gonna see the inside, so we basically just wanna sand around the edges here. So this is an espresso stain, and if you wanna dip your rag or your brush, whatever you wanna do, into the stain, with this stuff, a little goes a long way, that's for sure. Wire brush, we are gonna take it, and we are gonna distress this thing. So we want these to look very rustic. Chip brush, put the lightest amount on your paintbrush, so you can even dip it into the cap if you wanted to. Very lightly dry brush this on. Kind of gives it that rustic look just based on the bristles alone. Paint is your friend, especially in the DIY world. I like to add a little bit of wax over it, and what it does is it makes it a little bit shinier, it brightens it up, it takes some of the paint off, but it makes it look a little bit more rustic. I love yours. What do you think?
I switch it.
Rustic?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Set them here and let them dry. But what we do need to do is give a quick coat of stain to the dowel rod as well. Really light coat of stain. So. Let's let it sit here for a couple minutes. Let's let it dry. As soon as it's dry, we're gonna get you some window treatments up. What do you say? Okay. You ready to see it? Hand one of these to you. And so if you wanna climb up the ladder, you see these little metal pieces in the back? Just set that inside. And then here is the dowel rod. We'll put it inside. And what do you think?
Beautiful.
They look great, right?
I love it.
I love the fact that we repurposed what used to be shelf brackets and we use them instead for curtain rods. What do you think? Good job?
Nice.
All right,
Great job.
high five.